Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of this video, but today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and I created this look using products from this month's box. So if you'd like to learn and watch me create, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. These are one of my favorite videos to film. I just love getting these boxes because I get so many products worth way beyond more than the box price itself. It's literally $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products. 5, I believe. 4, 5. I'll count. Yes, it's 5. 5 full-size products, and it's so much worth it. Everything I get in it I usually love, and if I don't, it's, you know, it's whatever because I paid $21 for it. Alright, so this month's box is the Galaxy Glow box. I'm pretty sure I get excited for every single box and I freak out and I'm like, this one's my favorite, but they're pretty much all my favorite. So everything is based on the Galaxy, you know, that kind of stuff. So, alright, so the first thing we're going to be using in the box is this set of brushes right here, and they're so beautiful, and I've been feeling them and they're super soft, and I have never used these. Honestly, I thought they were the like Wet n Wild ones, but these are from Crown brushes, and Crown makes beautiful products and they make beautiful brushes. They started out with brushes, I'm pretty sure, but now they have like eyeshadow palettes and other products. So I'm just going to go in and use these today. So I'm going to go in with the biggest brush right now, and it's just so soft. It's beautiful. I feel like I'm going to be really excited about this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dip into this e.l.f. blush right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick it up and just put it on where I would normally apply blush at, which honestly I thought this brush would not work good with blush, but I kind of really like that. I have a problem with applying blush. It always looks like patchy on me, but that brush, that applied it really nice. I was actually going to use this more for a bronzing brush, but I didn't have a blush brush with me, so yeah, I kind of really like how that applies, to be honest. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the same brush and I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. bronzer, and this is in the color Light Matte, and I'm going to go in and tap that off because these are really pigmented, and just start bronzing up my face where I normally would at with this brush. And these brushes they're really soft, like super soft. I'm really liking them. Okay, I can't decide what I like better, if it applies blush better or bronzer better, but I'm honestly really liking this. I'm probably going to use this a lot more often now. It's super soft, and it's not leaving like streaky marks on my face. I feel like a lot of times, depending on the shape of the brush that I'm using for my face, it'll leave like streaks or it'll move my foundation, and this is looking good. And then of course, after I do my bronzer and blush, I kind of like to go around the face area and definitely on the forehead because I have such light skin, so I kind of like to blend it all through. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Hard Candy setting spray. I did not get this in the box, but I'm going to be spraying my face with this. Alright, so I forgot to tell you guys, these 3 brushes right here, they are $29.99, so they're $30. These are from Crown brushes, of course, and they look like this. Alright, so the next item we got in the box is this Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection, and it looks like this. This is the item that I'm probably like most excited about because it's so beautiful and I love highlighters. I don't think I'm going to play around with these colors today because I'm going to be using some more purples. But I am going to go in, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the brush right here that I would normally use for contouring. But I'm going to use it for highlighting today. I'm going to go into all 3 of these colors just so I can kind of see how they all look. And let's just start seeing, oh shit, okay, those are so pigmented. I'm really liking that. Okay. That looks pretty good. I feel like it's kind of just sitting on my face right now. It could be the brush, so I'm going to go in, of course, and blend it a little better than I did. I'm just kind of layering it on my face right now. Yeah, that highlighter looks really, really pretty. It's like these 2 colors right here, like pinky purpley colors and the middle one's pretty purple. Those are so pretty. And I'm glowing in like multiple colors. And I'm really intrigued by this like green and yellowy blue colors, but mostly this blue color because I've never used a blue highlighter before, I don't think. That is so pigmented. I'm gonna use the green color. That's what it looks like. And then the yellow color. Wow, okay. So I'm gonna swatch these on the back of my hand real quick just so you guys can see them. Ooh. I'm gonna be doing lots of looks with these. These are really, really pretty. Alright, so this bad boy right here retails for $39.99. So this is $40. I mean, it's really good for $40. I'm a really cheap person, so honestly I probably wouldn't pay for it, but getting this, I do see the quality and I do believe that it's worth the $40. I'm really cheap, so I don't buy things that cost $40. But this is really, really beautiful. I'm loving how it looks on the face right now. It's just beautiful. Alright, so the box did not come with eyeshadows, I should say. They came with other eye products, but not eyeshadows. So I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It looks like this, and I have not used this before, but it looks really beautiful. And I'm not going to talk too in depth about the eyeshadow that I'm doing right now, just because this video is about Boxycharm. But I'm going to go in with a little blending brush, and I'm going to be picking up this pink color right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start blending this into my crease on both sides. Alright, so the box came with, of course, this little flat blending brush, and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to go into this purple color right here, and I'm just going to use it to kind of deepen up the crease area and get some purple on the outer and crease area.
Go inside like when she leaves, I slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance.
Alright, so I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into this little bit of a darker purple color right here. And just keep doing that in the same area just to kind of deepen it up. And right now I'm just running the same colors under my lower lash line area. Alright, so the next thing we got in the box, which I'm really excited about as well, is this Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the color Amethyst, and it just looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys. I have not swatched it myself either. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a nice little pinky reflex to it. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this color, and I'm just going to be placing this on the middle part of my eyelids. And that looks so pretty. It's very holographic and pigmented. I'm just going to kind of create like a halo effect. Okay, wow, I just love how that looks on the eyes. It's so super pigmented, and it gives off such a pretty like holographic color. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know what this cost. It cost $28, and I do feel like it's worth it. Would I pay $28 for it? Probably not, because I am a cheap hoe, but I do think it's really worth it, and if I really wanted this, I probably would end up paying that much for it. So it's basically $30. It looks so beautiful. Obviously, I do not know how it wears throughout the day, but so far, so good. Alright, so now I'm just picking up the darker purple color, and I'm just kind of adding that on the outer and inner part of that, just to kind of blend that shadow together so it's not just sticking there. Alright, so one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this small little brush and go into all those colors and run this down my nose, because I actually forgot to highlight my nose, and that is something I usually always do. Alright, so now I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm going into the same exact highlighting colors, and I'm going to be putting them on the inner corner and brow bone area. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put some eyeliner in my waterline. This is the IT Cosmetics No Tug Liner, and put some lashes on. These are the Oh Your Lash, in the style Paris. And I'm going to be doing this off camera. Alright, so I say this in every video, I suck at putting on lashes, but these weren't as hard to apply. They are actually coming up a little bit on the inner corner. They do fall off, but they're not as bad as they normally are. Alright, so I actually did not use the IT Cosmetics No Tug liner in my waterline because I forgot that this box comes with a smoky eye pencil. This is from Vintage by Jessica, I don't know, something like that, but we've gotten this brand a lot in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and just rub it off on the back of my hand because pencils like these are normally hard to use. That's really pigmented, and I'm going to start running this in my waterline. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, pencil eyeliners normally do not work. They're kind of hard to use, but this one actually went on so easy. It did not feel like wood was stabbing me in my eyes. So this is a good plus, and it cost $21, and I feel like that's a reasonably price for this kind of brick. Alright, so the next thing in the box is this glitter from Bella Pierre, and it's a purpley shimmery color, and it's called Cosmic Purple, and it retails for $15, which is a really decent price for some glitters. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we're going to be putting it on our eyes. So when you open it up, it has that like little, what do you call it? I don't know, something like that where it kind of helps the glitter not just dump out. You can kind of like tap it in there. And this purple color is really beautiful. I do not have a purple color like this, so I'm really excited to use this. Alright, so I'm going to be picking up this small little brush and my NYX Cosmetics glue, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit of it right here on like the inner part and just kind of running it down just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do it to the other eye before I get glitter all over this brush. Alright, so now I'm picking up the glitter, and I'm just going to be placing a very light amount of it just right here on like the inner part area. And I'm going to blend it together in a second because it's looking a little chunky. So I'm just patting over this and kind of rubbing a little bit just to kind of get that to blend together. And I'm going to be honest, I really don't like that, and it's not the glitter, it's just how I did it. So I'm going to be picking up the highlighting palette and just going in and kind of going over that just to kind of blend it together maybe. I don't know, I thought that would look a little better, but I don't really work with glitter that much. So now I'm just adding a little bit more just like on that inner corner part. So it pops a little bit more on the inner corner. But these glitters are really pretty, and they don't seem too messy, you know, like they're not falling off my brush too much. But glitter is glitter. It's honestly like, it's just glitter. But it's really, this is like a really pretty color. Alright, so that is all of the items in the box, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up this look with this Pretty Vulgar liquid lipstick. This is in the color My Lips Are Sealed, and I got this in my Boxycharm as well. I believe it was like only like a couple months ago that I got it, but it's a beautiful color, so I'm just going to put this on my lips. Alright, so now that we have that lipstick on, for the millionth time I'm going to go into all these top 3 colors, and I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to kind of focus onto the purple one right there and just lay this on top. I'm just kind of focusing it more heavily onto the middle part, and then I'll blend it to the sides. Alright, so that is the completed look, and that is everything in this month's Boxycharm. I love this box. I love everything that usually comes in this box. I don't think I've really ever been disappointed by something. It's $21 a month, guys, which of course $21 a month is kind of expensive. Not really, but like for the stuff you get in it, it's just so worth it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and calculate and get my calculator out and tell you guys how much this box retails for. Alright, so this box retails for $133.98, which is basically, we'll just say $135. So basically $135 for $21 a month. And you got some high-end brands in it from Naked Cosmetics. We got some Kyra Facts, and pretty much everything in here is pretty high-end. Nothing is inexpensive in this box, really. Crown brushes, we got some Bella Pierre. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you like these kind of unboxing videos of Boxycharm, and I will see you in my next video.